morning to all the teachers and especially for all the children because it's a special day for children today.
A very cheerful and colorful morning to all the lovely kids and respected teachers.
Today is a very special day, a day full of fun, laughter, and surprises.
Yes, it's a day dedicated to the most important people in the world. You all.
So happy Children's Day to all the children. So let us begin our assembly with the national song Vande Mataram by our choir. So let me call the choir on the dais.
Suddenly becomes very serious. True, the pledge reminds us that we are not just students of school, we are citizens of a country where we are very proud.
So for pledge, let me call on the stage our two class teachers, Ujwala ma'am and Sunita ma'am.
Teachers and all the elders, respect and treat everyone with courtesy. I shall be kind to animals, to my country and my people. I place my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Or in the assembly.
The movement that short, deep, and sometimes confusing. Yes, the thought of the day.
It's like a mini dose of wisdom, quick to say, hard to follow, but always inspiring us. So let us welcome Guddu sir for today's thought.
सुप्रभात प्यारे बच्चों, आज मैं आप लोग के सामने एक सुविचार पर प्रस्तुत करूंगा। परिश्रम ही सफलता की कुंजी है। थैंक यू। हैव ए नाइस डे।
Today, November 14th, is celebrated as Children's Day in India.
It marks the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.
He was fondly known as Chacha Nehru because of his deep love and affection for children.
Yes, of course, he believed that children are the real strength and foundation of the nation and also the best reason for the teachers to lose their voice every day.
So true. Let's call upon Pavan sir to tell the speciality of the day.
I am newly admitted teacher Pawan of Swarnalila International School of Alfors. I am going to tell you the speciality of the day. So here it goes. Respected Principal Ma'am, Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, all my teachers and all my drama kings and queens out here. A very happy Children's Day to you all. Today, we are celebrating the real heroes of our school. You know who are they, guys? Okay. So you guys, you are the real heroes of our school. Okay, the one who sneaks under the desk and eats the tiffin without coming into the notice of their teacher and making it a mission impossible, taking the pride of accomplishment of it. To the real desk drummer who are entertaining their whole class by making it a live concert for them.
happening around us. So for that, let us see some news headlines by Vishakha ma'am.
Today's breaking headlines. India shocked with the breaking headlines. Nation runs out of chocolates as kids invoke right to unlimited candy. Homework officially banned for 24 hours. Cartoon channels declare national emergency.
Update you with the breaking news that principal declares fun period and students still shocked. It's not a trap, but yes, every class is going to get 2 to 3 fun periods daily. We have reached to half of the part of our assembly. Let us see what is there exciting over there. Actually, now it's the time for quiz.
What has one eye but can't see? What has one eye but we can't see? Yes. The correct answer is needle. Next question. What has a head, a tail, and does not have a body? Yes, correct answer. I have teeth but I can't see. I have teeth but can't see. Yes, the correct answer is four. What has a neck but no head? Yes, right answer.
So our Alpha students are far brilliant than whatever we were thinking. So now is the time for a little bit chulbulapan and all. And for that, I think we should call the person who is coming on the dais. You guys are enjoying a lot rather than other teachers or the performer. Can you guess that one? You guys are always saying Kalpak sir, so I think I should call him on the dais. But before Kalpak sir, let me call other person. Can you guess that one? Okay, let me call on the dais Jatin sir for the dance performance specially prepared on Children's Day. So Jatin sir for the dance performance.
टिक्का लाया पर सच्ची तेरे ते मेरी बुरी नजर रहिंदी है लोकां ने की कहना की लेना सारी दुनिया भुला के आ नीड़िए पानी दा रंग चढ़ा के आ जे आपां मिल जाइए भुल जाइए एक दूजे दा नाम नीड़िए पानी दा रंग चढ़ा के आ रंग चढ़ा के आ रंग चढ़ा के दिया तेरी मट्ठी मट्ठी लोनी साडी रूते पैंदिया साडी रूते पैंदी मैं लुटे आ गया नी तैनू प्यार करके दोवें बह मेरी अखां चार करके मेरा कोई दिल ले जांदा नी मैं सुनिया कदे वी ना नी अड़िए पानी दा रंग
Wish you all happy Children's Day. So, always I am singing a song, which one from our generation. So this time I decided some trading song I have to sing.
गली के मोड़ पर तेरी हथेली पर लिखूं मेरा नाम तेरे नाम पर फिर तू तकल्लुफ छोड़ कर फिर तू झुका कर के नजर रखना मेरे कांधे पे सर जिंदगी कुछ तो बता जिंदगी अपना पता जिंदगी कुछ तो बता जिंदगी अपना पता जिंदगी
But I can't clap. I have a face, but I can't blink. and I make a loud noise every hour. What am I? Yes, the right answer is clock.
You see me once in a year, twice in a week, but never in a day. What am I? M? No, that's the wrong. Sorry. Yes, it's the wrong answer. M is the wrong answer. Yes, the letter E is the correct answer.
दिल साडा हाले थोड़ा साफ जानी लगदा इरादा हुत बड़ी लंबी नहीं रखी है मुटियार ने है देखदा परादा नहीं देखदा परादा फिगर तो लगदी यकीनो एक बारी दस दो जी निकल शकीनो कल ही तू इटली तो आई मर जानी ते परस तू पेरिस तो मंगाया वैलेंटिनो हाँ तेनू क्यों ना दिखा तेरे कौन की सिखा तेरे पे की लिखा हुसन तेरा तौबा 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 हुसन तेरा तौबा 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 तौबा